Wondering why your car's power outlet suddenly stopped working? Let's figure it out. First, don't panic. Car power outlets, also called cigarette lighters, can stop working for a few simple reasons. The most common culprit? A blown fuse. Fuses are tiny safety devices that protect your car's electronics. If you plug in a device that draws too much power, the fuse can blow, and the outlet stops working. So, how do you check? Look in your owner's manual for the fuse box location, usually under the dashboard or in the engine bay. Find the fuse marked for the power outlet. If it looks burnt or broken, it needs to be replaced. Most fuses are cheap and easy to swap out. Still not working? Sometimes the metal contacts inside the outlet get dirty or bent. A gentle cleaning or adjustment can help. Just make sure the car is off before you try anything. And remember, not all car outlets are always on. Some only work when the ignition is turned, so double-check your key position. If you've checked all this and it's still dead, there could be a wiring issue. In that case, it's best to let a pro take a look. So next time your car outlet goes dark, don't stress. A quick fuse check or a cleaning might save the day. Thanks for watching. Stay powered up and safe on the road.